Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to block any website in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for File Explorer. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the Open option to continue. So eventually you would be redirected to this if File Explorer. You can also press Windows key and letter E as an eagle key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the Windows Explorer. So from here, click on this forward arrow next to this PC. Okay, and you would be able to see your C drive. From here, please double tap to the Windows. And under the Windows, you need to scroll down and locate for System 32. So I can see it here. Just double tap to it. And under the system 32, you need to locate for a file folder named driver. So all you need to do is you need to locate for it. Okay, just double tap to it. And under the driver, you need to locate for etc. So all you need to do is you need to copy this host file. Just click on the copy icon to copy it. Close the window and please make a right click here and go with the spaced icon. Once we have pasted it, we need to make a right click here and go with open with. Okay. And you can also click on edit and notepad. So just have to click on it and wait until this would appear. Where here you need to proceed on the bottom area of that you can see it. Okay, all you need to do is you need to put a space of that and type for 127.0.0.1. Once you're done typing it, you need to type the specific website that you would like to block with. So let's say, for example, you would like to block the Instagram website. All you need to do is you need to type for www.instagram.com. Once you're done typing, please save that. So go with the file and click on saved. The moment you have saved it, close the window and make a right click here and go with this copy icon. Once you have copied it, proceed to the File Explorer again. Type for File Explorer. Okay. And the moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match. Please click on Open. Okay. And navigate to your C drive. Again, go with the Windows. And here at the Windows, please scroll down and locate for System 32. So double tap to the System 32. And under the System 32, you need to locate for driver. So we just have to click, double tap to it, and go with the etc again. Make a right click here and go with the spaced icon. So click on replace the file with the destination and click on continue. So we just have to wait until this would be completed. Once done, close or minimize the window. Proceed to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So we just have to wait until we are being successfully navigated to the Google Chrome browser. And once we're here, please navigate to the Windows search bar and type for Instagram.com. Okay. Click on the enter key. And there you have that this site can't be reached, meaning we have successfully blocked it. So from that on, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.